Hi, I'm Ken Gracie of Parallax, and I'd like to invite you to our upcoming Educators workshops. If you teach topics such as Python, robotics, electronics, cybersecurity, or artificial intelligence in middle school through college level, I invite you to apply for our upcoming Educators workshops. If you're new to Parallax, we teach these topics using physical hardware, the microbit microcontroller, electronics, and robots. All of our curriculum is at learn.parallax.com/microbit and will be free for the rest of your career. We only sell the hardware kits. Our Educators workshops are also free, and we even ship you the hardware in advance. In our workshops, you'll learn by doing, just like a student, using the programming software and hardware. You'll talk to our instructors and other educators and confidently learn how to deploy our system in your classroom. No prior experience is required, and the workshops are an easygoing environment. On February 12th, we have the Microbit for Beginners workshop. This is an easy 2-hour session where you'll learn how to set up the microbit programming software. You'll write Python scripts to use the sensors and LED display. We'll introduce you to the educational resources from Microbit, Parallax, and our partner cyber.org. You only need a microbit module for this workshop, but even this is optional because you can use the online simulator. Sign up now because the class is coming really soon. On March 25, 27th, and 29th, for 2 hours each afternoon, we're running our most popular workshop, the Cyberbot. The Cyberbot is the best educational kit, and we'd like to show you why. In this workshop, we'll build and program the Cyberbot. We'll connect sensors and circuits on the Cyberbot's breadboard for detecting objects, following light, and navigating autonomously. The Cyberbot is perfect for classroom competition. On April 22nd, 24th, and 26th, also for an hour or two in each afternoon, we offer the Cybersecurity with Python and Microbit workshop. We'll apply basic cybersecurity concepts using the Microbit's wireless communication radio. You'll write scripts demonstrating encryption, attacks, and defenses, and gain an understanding of what cybersecurity vulnerabilities exist with hardware. We'll also show you how to take these examples further into robotics and control an entire set of classroom cyberbots. And why do we do this at Parallax? This is exactly how we learned, by doing. For the student, we give them agency and experiential learning, the power of a self-guided, hands-on experience. Their interests turn into productive careers. And for the educator, your students will tell you it's the most fun they've had. They won't leave the classroom during lunch break. I invite you to be the classroom they remember. Sign up for our Educators workshops today. My team is ready to personally get you started. Thank you.